for Our Lady of Fatima, Labayan, Romero. And speaking of Stephen Ihebem, he will have his hands full against this guy holding the ball, Mamadou Toure. Andre Romero with that floater. 0 winning period. Yan, nasabi mo nga kanina, speaking of Stephen Ihebem, bago tayo magsimula, no, dito magagamit yung kanyang soft touch.
Dragons.
3-on-3, Jamyas losing the handle. Lost opportunity there. Labayan, coast to coast. 13 to
close-up moment.
Close-up moment ni Edward Labayan. Skirt pa rin niya, zigzags, and that will count. Ito naman yung maibibigay ni Kurt. Dapat yung gagawin na masyadong fast-paced itong ginagawa sa kanila. 3C there. Charles Texon challenging Sesto. Jamyas now. Ihebem will go all the way and he will score to make it a 3-point lead. During the offensive rebound, Gab Gotera lines it up for 3 and gets the lucky bounce for Gab Gotera. Last 13 seconds.
Again, another extra possession for the green shirts care of Mamadou.
And Kevin Loyola cashes in on the 3-point shot. Finally, ito yung hinahanap-hanap. Amelie Hotel, Manila. Charles Texon wanting to answer back. And he does so from Tagaytay. 40-40-30 is our count. Wang Ming, Ihebem tries his hand from mid-range. Back-to-back mid-range shots for Stephen Ihebem. The 36, 1.5 minutes remaining here in the third. Again, Toure inside. Pounding the ball against Ihebem. And he gets the friendly roll. Stephen Ihebem. Kurt Lactau-Tau. The hoop and the heart. Hands it over. Gab Gotera. Bencalo, 3-point shot. Again, those 3-point bombs lifting Our Lady of... Highlight move, panigurado yun. Lepardo creates a highlight move of his own using his offhand.
Binigay sa kanya sa may free throw, diniin niya sa loob. Nakita niya na may double team. No hesitations, kinik out agad. Very unselfish of Mamadou Toure.
Yan ang sinasabing tiwala.
Opened up other things for the green shirts.